In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this progress bar animation in After Effects. But if you'd like to just download the project file yourself, you can go into the link in my description and download it from my website. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is create a new solid layer. So go up to Layer, New, Solid, and choose any color you want. I'm going to choose this blue color. Hit OK. And then come up here and grab your rounded rectangle tool and drag a progress bar over your footage, just like that. Let's go over to the Effect and Preset panel and type in Linear Wipe and drag that onto our shape layer. Then go up to the Effect Controls and Transition Completion, make it 100%, and then add a keyframe. Now we're gonna go forward a few frames. Let's go forward about 5 seconds, and we're gonna make this 0%. Now if we play it back, we have this nice loading bar. But this is just a plain rectangle. Let's spice it up just a bit. All right, now let's grab a drop shadow from our effect panel and we'll apply that onto our footage here. Click this to add the transparent background so we can actually see the drop shadow. I'm gonna make it 100% and then change the distance to about 23 and then the softness to about 60. Here we go. Now let's duplicate your layer. Go back to Effects and Presets, type in Gradient Ramp and apply that to your top layer and then select your colors. Then come over here to the Effect Controls, go to the start of the ramp, put it at the start of our effect, and then go to the end of the ramp, and then I like to have it a little bit overshot like this, so it kind of has this nice gradient fill to it. If you want to increase or decrease how long it takes to complete, just grab these two keyframes and spread them out or shorten them. And that's how you just make a basic loading bar animation. But if you want to add text or a number value to this, go up to your type tool, type out whatever you want. We're going to type out loading, and then we're going to position it in the middle of our bar here. Now what we want to do is select our shape layer and copy Linear Wipe, and then paste it onto our text layer at the start of the timeline. And now, when your bar goes across, your text will appear naturally where you positioned it. And that's how you create a loading bar in After Effects. And that's how you create a loading bar in After Effects. If you want to just download the file for yourself, it's still available in the link in my description. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for another video.